And that's how we do it. Well, that's how we do it. Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. So it's Friday, guys, and I'm starting off a new vlog. Don't know where this vlog is gonna head, but it's always great to start a vlog. So I'm gonna be starting this vlog today. So hey guys, welcome back, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell to be notified every time I make a video. I don't know what this vlog will be about, but I'm hoping that it will be a fun one, and go ahead and enjoy. So basically, pretty much kind of wasted the entire day just being lazy. But I'm gonna start some work. Right now it's currently 12:06 right now. My video just dropped that was supposed to actually drop yesterday, because give it a story, I did not know what to post yesterday. So by the time I figured out what I wanted to post I just ended up going to Kingston with my dad, so didn't get to post that. So when you can't tell me watch in the background, just terrible. Hi, that is Sassy Shan, people. Check out her channel. She's so annoying. So I ended up going to Kingston, so didn't upload, but I did edit it. So today at 12 it went live, so if you have not yet checked that out, go ahead and check out that video. Anyways, so I'm gonna be getting some work done, doing some cleaning. I don't think I'm gonna film that because I don't want to do a next clean with me so quickly. So the vlog I just uploaded today was actually a clean with me basically, but it was in my kitchen, even though, you know, it's just in the kitchen. I don't want to do like another clean with me so quickly, so I'm just gonna not film that. So I don't know what's gonna be in this vlog. This vlog is not gonna only be for today, probably for the entire weekend. Hey guys, so it's currently 2:13 or so right now. I just finished cleaning the kitchen and wiping it and all. My sister finished the rest of the things, so we're done cleaning for the day. So I'm not sure. Oh yes, I'm gonna actually make a video making a wig, and don't know what else. I know it's on TV at the moment. I need to also put up my hair. Not sure what time that's gonna be done, but I want everything to be done before 6. So yeah, may I help you? Hi to the camera. Me and Janisa. You want some of my dinner? No, she say. But girl, why you put onto the belly full? You know, time me say belly no food. Hey. Say you see you, or you make me go buy this a big one, yeah. But that's not bone chad, this meat. It is a new day, a new morning. We're happy to be alive. It is Saturday, guys. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. Yes, it's the weekend. It is Saturday morning. I'm currently just cleaning up, and then I was actually planning videos as well. So I don't know. I'm gonna plan some more videos afterwards. After I finish cleaning up, I have the bed to clean up. I always have my bed to clean up. Like last night, my sister and I watched a movie, and it was pretty awesome. We just chilled and just had fun with both of us. We just decided to have fun and just sit and watch 2 movies last night. So that was great. So that is that. I need to now clean up this room and get things in order and start my day. It's 10:34 a.m. I had breakfast just a while ago. Had some plantains, as you guys saw, plantains and some sprats. Yes, that is what we call sprats. I'm gonna need to carry this table back over. So let this go here. I'm gonna make up this bed and then just see where I can go from there. Guys, so the room is now clean again. So yeah, I just need to bring this over to the church and then I'm done. Just watching some Adeline, my baby. I love her. And then I am done with my room. Yeah, I did clean this yesterday, so this is already straightened. This is just the hair. I was actually trying to make a wig. Hopefully I'll get a video out on that. But yeah, everything in my room is now back to the way it was before. So
you need to get out of your head that you don't deserve happiness. You need to get in your head that you do deserve happiness.
Hi guys, so I just finished filming a video. I don't think I'm gonna put up a next video today because normally my schedule is Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. For this week I posted a video on Monday and then on Friday, so my schedule is kind of off for this week. So I decided probably not to put up a video for this week and then try and get back on my schedule for next week, because for the past 3 or so weeks I have been off, like really off my my schedule and stuff. So I want to try and get back on. So I already have a video now for Tuesday just to edit it. I need to figure out what I'm gonna be posting on Thursday. I want to do waking up at 6 a.m. for an entire week for Saturday, or probably next week, or probably the other week, Tuesday. I do want to do like clean with me. I'm gonna have a next clean with me for the Easter, like spring. Yeah, I have that to do. Alright guys, so it is later on in the afternoon. It's probably about 7 o'clock right now. So I'm preparing. My mom cooked soup, but I'm gonna eat soup. So I decided on doing this the famous bowl thingy. So I was playing some aki. So what I did was ask my mom to do the potato and the chicken. So what I'm gonna do is basically just fixing it together. Alright? So let me get the kitchen. Where's that for me? Yeah. Actually, sorry, it's true. No, it's true. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is now put them together. So I'm gonna be needing a corn. Does anybody know how famous bowl go?
Yay, sweet corn!
Yeah, so basically famous bowl having the potato, the chicken nuggets, the chicken popcorn chicken kind of something, corn, and the gravy is what makes it the nice thing, you know. But the gravy now will actually turn out, yeah, it's not gonna be as nice, the gravy, as we don't know exactly what them use. But yeah, we're gonna take the sweet corn here. Could you please focus? Yeah, so we're gonna take the sweet corn and open that and get everything else done. I'm gonna show you the chicken in a few, but let's get the corn open first. Alright guys, so this is the potato. Just gonna drop some of this in it. Also, if you go right, Chan, put some of this in there.
All of it.
No.
I agree, it's all of it.
No, people, that's too much. I'm not think.
See, it doesn't even reach the skirt.
Yeah, give me a second, people. And that's how we do it. Well, that's how we do it. Now I'm gonna take my dishes and dry them off, and then finish up for today. Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with Shakay. We're going to put this at the bottom. Alright guys, and now this is the chicken, so we're gonna put that on top. It doesn't have a lot of gravy, but you know, maybe next time we can probably see if we can find a gravy recipe or the KFC gravy recipe. Never have a time. No, you're Shani, come it nice, but now you're Alright guys, so that is it. Guys, you should have actually got in between, as in if you go big underneath the chicken. Guys, you never remember the cheese, but we still have to put in the cheese. So give her a second on. Guys, so this is the final product of our famous bowl, at home famous bowl. Yeah, nobody knows, just if we did get the gravy right and the cheese on top properly, you know, it would have been awesome. And guys, I gotta say the famous bowl wasn't too bad. It was actually nice, but it didn't taste as the original. So pretty much like if you're gonna try this at home, you know those box those box potatoes, yeah, we have like a boil water and you add it to it, and yeah, that one there would more likely give it the taste like it, because it's that they use. Put on the cheese as soon as you it's hot and all of that, so it kind of melts it and whatnot. Just get it in a state where it can melt it, if you get what I'm saying. And then the chicken, now try and get the gravy, because I think they have a recipe of the gravy. The next time I do this, I'ma film it, see if I can film it and whatnot. Guys, I'm sweating like it's not right, but yeah. Hey guys, so it is like let me tell you guys what time it is. It is 10:11. It is 11:35 p.m. I'm up editing and watching YouTube because I want to get back on the grind, and I know tomorrow I have a ton of work to do and I don't want to spend that time editing and uploading. I want to just get the things done. It's Sunday evening, by the way, if you guys did not realize. It's Sunday evening and I just wanted to get those done. So my video is like 90 something finished, then I'm gonna upload that, so I still can't get to my bed yet, so probably I won't get to my bed until like 12 or after 12, and I need to be up by 6 because we're starting back our exercise thingy, and we're gonna be waking up at 6. Plus I want to do a video of waking up at 6 a.m. for an entire week, so I need to actually put the extra effort to get up for the entire week this week at 6 a.m. so I don't know how that's gonna work, but we're gonna try. I'm gonna do it for you guys. So yeah, I need to like get back into the groove of just uploading my 3 days that I had put down, because I did say for this year I want to be more consistent. I have been, trust me, compared to other years, this is the most consistent I've ever been, so I am consistent. So yeah, but just gonna finish this and then go to my bed. Alright guys, so it is after 12, like it is 12:12 and I finished editing, I finished uploading. It is now up and ready to go. So now I'm just gonna end this vlog. So this was a weekend in my life vlog, so thank you guys so much for watching my weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment something down below. This week's subscriber shoutouts goes to J Creative, Shillis Corners, Mahila Mir. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, for commenting, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.